a famous college football coach, Lou Holtz, excuse me. He always said, people ask 3 questions when they're making a buying decision. For us, it's deciding if we're an agent, if they're agent. For him, it was playing for him, right? Whatever else. But number 1, can I trust you? Number 2, are you good at what you do? And number 3, do you care about me? Can I trust you? Are you good at what you do? Do you care about me? And number one of the biggest challenges that agents and people in general misunderstand is we always go for, here's why I'm good at what I do. Let me explain to you why I'm a better agent than Matt. Let me explain to you why I'm the best agent in our region, right? And let me tell you all about my 500-point marketing plan, whatever it is. And we lead with that, and we forget trust and we forget care. Now, if you dig in even deeper than that, and you actually start to understand the psychology and the studies and the surveys and everything that they've done, is that the average consumer cannot understand a field outside of their own, cannot understand more than a 2 out of 10 level. Right. Yeah. So when you try to compete on, are you the best one out there? They have no way to determine. I'm an agent. I don't even know if I'm the best agent. Right. I don't think I am, but I don't even know how to determine that. And so, but yet we lead with that as if a consumer can understand. Instead, what all of these studies prove is if you leave and that person can tell that they can trust you and you care about them, then their natural assumption is you're good at what you do. Now, you should be good at what you do, but when you try to answer question number 2, you don't answer any of them. When you answer question 1 and 3, you actually answer all 3. And so we misunderstand that. I talk about my dentist all the time. I don't know if someone were to honestly ask if my dentist is the best dentist in my city. I have no idea. I don't even know how to determine that, right? I'm not smart enough to figure that out, and certainly not going to take the time to figure out. So all I'm able to do is I really think he cares about me. I really trust his opinion. And so therefore, I'm just going to keep coming, right? There's no reason for me not to. We make easier decisions than maybe we like to admit, and consumers make easier decisions than maybe we like to admit. And so stop leading with the one question that no one knows how to answer properly. Instead, can I trust you and do you care about me? You can answer those by being consistent in contact, by asking a lot of questions, by listening well, right? And that's what it takes. For me, I understood that early on just from study and research, my own personal life, and literally in 7 years have a 100% conversion rate with buyers and a 95% conversion rate with sellers. And I genuinely believe that it's because all of these things that have been built through the trust, through the care. I show up because it's a referral and they already say, you can trust him, right? He's going to take good care of you. So I already have those answered. And then all I got to do is not blow it and they're going to hire me, right? Because I don't need to be the best agent. I want to be the best agent, but they don't need to understand what makes me better than anybody else. It doesn't matter in their mind, right? I need to get the job done. That's what they want, but they trust me and I can prove to them that I care. And that's really what it is. So we just answered the wrong question.